In this vlog, we will try to see the data types available in Python. So, the list of data types available in Python are numeric, list, tuple, set, string, range, and dictionary, which can also be considered as map. So, first of all, let us try to go through the numeric data types. So inside the numeric data types, we are having integer, float, complex, and boolean. So now let us try to see each of them. So first of all, consider a variable a equal to 10. I am specifying here. So now when you try to know the type of a here, so with the help of the type method here, we are trying to find out what is the data type of the variable a here. So the value which we have specified is 10, and when you try to find out the type here, you can see a is of a type integer here. And now considering the same variable a here, we are trying to provide the value 5.0, and when you try to find out the type now for the same variable a here, you can know that it's of a type float here. So we are just making use of the same variable and trying to reassign the values to it. And one thing also I want to clarify here, there is no any constant variable in Python. So whenever you provide a value to the variable, you can just replace it. And so just like other programming languages, we don't have any constant variables. So here you can just replace the current variable any number of times. So now let us also try to see a variable value. So now let us try to see an example of a complex number. So a equal to 2 plus 3j. So I think you have got an idea of what is a complex number. So the complex number is a combination of a number plus imaginary value. So here 2 plus 3j. So here we have not specified any value for j here. And now let us try to find the type of a now. So it will return a complex here stating the data type of variable a. So now also let us try to find out the variable data type boolean. So for which simply you can provide a equal to true here, and now let us try to find out the value of a, and here you can see we have got a value bool, that is nothing but boolean. And also you can just make use of a equal to 1 less than 3, and here when you try to find out the type here, so here we have not specified any value like true or false, but based on the value which we have provided, it will consider the result is of a type of boolean variable here. So these are the four types of variables available in the numeric data type. And in our previous tutorials, we have gone through list, tuple, set, range, and dictionaries. So we have gone through the detailed explanation of the each topic, and you may find these tutorials in the description section below. In a short way, let us try to find out the data type of them as well. So a equal to, we have provided a list of values here, and now when you try to find the type of a here, so any guesses now? So what is the data type of a here? If you have gone through my previous tutorials, I think you surely will get the answer now. Here a is of a type list here. List is provided by the square brackets, and now let us try to provide curly brackets now for the same 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and now let us try to find out the type of it. Any guesses this time? So this time we have provided a curly braces, and this resembles this set here. So the data type is of a type set here, and the final one here a equal to, so now we are specifying rounded brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and this is nothing but of a type tuple here. So I have provided the in detail tutorial on each of the topic, list, set, tuple, and also range and dictionary also. So I am providing the links so you can just go through and get the idea of how we are recognizing the type of data based upon the value. So in our previous tutorials we have considered range here, so you can just provide a range of 0 comma 10. And now let us try to find out the type of a here, which will return of a type range here. So now let us try to find out the last data type. Now we will be considering the curly brackets just like set, and inside which we will be providing the value name separated by colon, and here we will be providing the value. So here this one is a key and this one is a value, and provide a comma here and provide the second key value pair age, and here we are specifying an integer, so we don't require to provide double quotes here. So now let us try to find out the type of a here. So this one is a dictionary, also called as a map in some programming languages. So these are all the different types of data types available in Python. And also we forgot the most important data type which we use mostly. So a equal to Python. I think you know what is the data type now. So let us try to find out the type. Here it is a string here. So this is the most commonly used data type in almost every programming language, which is a string. And in some programming languages we also have character. So here in Python we just have a string, although you provide a single character and try to find out the type of it, so you will be getting it considered just as a string only. So yes, this is it for this tutorial on data types. So I think you just understood what is a data, how many types of data types. So you just understood how to find out the data type based on the value provided and what are the different types available in Python. So almost we have dealt with every data type, and I am providing the tutorials in the description section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Python.